Made from BPA-free material that ensures containers to be safe and eco-friendly. Convenient to use, can be used in the microwave, freezer and dishwasher, top rack only. Whether it is storing leftovers or packing lunch, Lock&Lock are convenient to use around the kitchen or for any other household needs. Wide variety of unique, stackable designs allows you to save space in your cabinets, refrigerator, and freezer. Long-lasting, our containers are made from high-quality materials that makes them long-lasting, strong and durable. Cultivate a healthy lifestyle and save space, food and money by investing in some Lock&Lock containers. A useful addition to any busy household, Lock&Lock's classic plastic food storage containers come in handy for storing fresh and frozen foods, from healthy snacks like cut-up fruits and vegetables to leftovers or dinners for the week. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for Weetabix fans. At last, finally found a neat, clear container to hold my 12-pack of Weetabix. They fit nice and snug, leaving plenty of room to get them out easily, and much better than buying a tin which would get dented and can't be washed out. I'm over the moon with this 2-liter Lock&Lock container. Great value for money, will buy again, thinking of getting a spare one. I recommend this as a must-have for all 12-pack Weetabix users. Update, 2020. I bought a spare for my work locker. This container keeps the Weetabix so lovely and crispy, and now I can enjoy my favorite cereal at break or lunchtime too.